Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play the mobile version of Raid Shadow Legends on your PC, laptop or MacBook. It's a very easy tutorial. All we need is the BlueStacks app player, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to download and install BlueStacks on your device. Now simply head down to your browser and type in BlueStacks. Now this will take you to the official BlueStacks website, bluestacks.com. Open it up and here you see a big button that says download BlueStacks 10. This is what we want. Now from here we simply download it and the .exe file should be downloaded. Now simply open the file and from here it will take you to a installation wizard. Simply press yes and from there the BlueStacks operation system will start the installation process. Now this is very easy. I already installed it. Simply follow the prompts given by BlueStacks and download BlueStacks. So when the installation process of BlueStacks has been finalized, all you have to do is go down to the Play Store, the official Google Play Store. You open it up. And from there, this is very important, log into your existing Google account right here in the top right corner. And when you've done that, you can use the Google Play Store and go to the search bar and type in Raid Shadow Legends. It already pops up. Now, and as you can see, it comes up with the official Raid Shadow Legends application. From here, you press install and the installation process will begin. Now, I'll be right back with you when the game has downloaded. So when the game has been fully installed, as you can see, there will be a desktop icon that you can create, and from here you can start to play the game from the desktop icon, or you can simply press play on the Google Play Store. Now from here the game will load up and will start, and as you can see, you can actually play the game with your mouse and keyboard. Now this is very easy. If this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, leave a like, subscribe, but most importantly, thank you for watching.